Pasensya na guys dahil may aso dito dun sa ano, mga jeep no. Sorry guys. Isang paa kasi guys ni Hiccup may ano, parang pilay yata yun. Okay. So isa dito siguro. Yung paano yan, yan yung parang ano niya, yung parang pilay niya. Okay. Ngayon, kailangan natin itong kulay brown na to dahil ihatin natin dito para represent niya na may pilay siya dito. So, time-lapse natin siguro.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
Maingay dito guys, sorry guys. Okay. Ngayon, itong belt, ito bali yung magiging belt niya. Yan. Kung mga hindi po kasi nakakala, may belt po siya. Parang may belt siya dito na ano, nakalagay. So, lagay lang natin ito po. Lagyan natin siya ng puti. Yan. Okay. Kulang ba tayo ng isa? Wait nga lang. Dahil kung kulang tayo ng isa, may problema to. So, sensya na. Alisin ko muna to. Alisin lang natin yan guys. Okay. 1, 2 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 1, 2. Alisin mo yan. Yan, good boy. Okay. Good man, good man. Okay. Oh shit, here we go again. Okay. Ay putik talaga oh. Okay, lagay mo dyan yan. Put this bad boy up here. Okay. Lagay mo dito yan. Ngayon, habang nakalagay yung ganyan, ngayon ilalagay na natin yung dun sa ano, parang ito mismo yung magiging ano nya, magiging belt nya. So, 1, 2, 3. Bilangin natin. Kailangan kasi 12 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, isa pa. Para maging belt niya to. Ayan. Ito mismo yung parang magiging belt niya. Lagay lang din tayo ng isa pang ano. Isa pa neto. Yan, parang may belt na siya siguro. Pwede na yan. Okay. Ito lang na din gawin natin guys, yung kagaya ginawa natin dati dun sa kay Rick. Okay, nice. Pwede na siguro yan. Ayun, ang gagawin natin yung ano naman niya, yung parang body niya. So una lagyan natin na itong kulay black na coal na to. Tsaka mga hindi po nakakalam, ang gamit po natin yung ano, yung ito kulay parang black siya. So umayan natin guys sa ano yun. Lagay-lagay lang natin. So bilangin muna natin guys kung ilang ano to. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 din to. So dapat dito 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So hanggang dito yan. So